Hi guys, today I'm going to be making FC Mobile tier list events from FC Mobile tier list. By the way, big shout out to Doge. He's the only reason I managed to find it. So, yeah, let's go to the tier list. Let's go. Let's rank this event. First off, if this country has to go in me. I mean, it was boring. It was very boring. Oh no, I meant Conference League, not Europa League. In Europa League, a bit better. Next up, Torch. Wait a second. Torch. It's definitely. I'll give it a S plus. Okay. This. Here. This. Pizza Beach was pretty good. I want to put it in B. You said road to the final. Was not really that good. I'll give it here. It was not really that good. Didn't give us that many stuff. Code Neon. Code Neon was pretty cool. I liked it. Holy was one of the better events. Holy was one of the better events. Holy has to go in maybe S. Actually no, A. Toti. Oh wait, no, I didn't mean to put it there. What am I doing? Toti, come on. Have to put it. Outstanding player. Bro. Yeah, okay. So, Carnival. E2. No. E2. I said E2. Thunderbolt. Probably. No. Thunderbolt probably has to go in C tier. Winter. I liked Winter. It's also where I got, I think, like 108 rated, like, I don't remember his name. But he was a good card. I think I have to put it in S. It was a W. End of an era. I mean, it doesn't have lots of gameplay. It's just lots of exchanges for some decent cards, some pretty good cards. So I'll put it in C tier. Trophy Titans. I don't know. I have, guys, some of these I'm just putting them from the little experience because I've not played all of these. Valentine was pretty good. I'll put it in A. The Murtos. I think it has to go in E. Like, Trigger Treat is a W. Trigger Treat was a good event. Anniversary, I don't know. I think I played a bit. It was not very exciting. See, Retro Stars. Definitely I. It was terrible. Dynamics. I don't know. I'm just telling the names wrong at this point. I feel like it's a C. So, Hall of Legends can go B. Yeah, B. Fish Things, Shapeshifters. I mean, I put it in C, it was decent. Zlatan. Bro, Zlatan is just a W for me because I'm also Swedish. It's my goat. Aqua vs Inferno. Not really that good beat here, I'll put it. And Defying Legacies, it's probably a tier for me. Surprised you have no F tier. Yeah guys, watch my tier list. Bye bye, see you later.